How to download and install Visual Studio Code on your Mac. So simply open this webpage code.visualstudio.com/download and it's gonna open you this website. On the homepage you're gonna see the downloader, so you can click download here or just click on download section and here choose the version. So let me click here and download it, save it to your computer and wait until it's downloaded. Now open that downloaded file and simply grab this and move it to applications and scroll down and find here Visual Studio Code and simply open it. Click on open here and you successfully downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code on your Mac. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.